Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be kind of a fun day because it's really sunny. So I'm planning on taking Ibrahim to Tesco first because they've got like that kids eat free thing. I haven't taken him out to eat in so long, and why not? Like literally why not? After that, I think I'm gonna either go to the park, or today I just want to spend the day with him. So I thought I would just vlog and bring you along. So come and join us on our day out entertaining my toddler. Baby is finally up for a nap. I'm just confirming if he's coming, but he's definitely coming. Okay, so we was meant to go to the park, but we ended up in a soft play because we couldn't find any like Tesco or Asda that had the cafes open. So we just came to this soft play here and he's loving it. We've just ordered him some food as well, and that's coming, so at least he's gonna eat his dinner and he's gonna play. Also, he decided to come, but I kind of upset him because I keep arguing with him because it's the time of the month, so I'm gonna be nice now. This is his favorite thing ever, literally, to play on this piano. He forgot where it was, but we just showed him and now he's so happy. Look, Ibrahim, do you remember this? Shabazz likes it. This is the food, but he's already eaten half. He's got these nuggets. I mean, they don't kind of look like nuggets, but they're real breast inside, so that's good. They're not processed, and he's loving it. He's been playing in here. Oh, you can't see it, but there's like a spinning thing in there. I'll show you after. Shabazz. I don't know where he is. Can you see him? Oh, there. Hi, Ibrahim. Hello. Hi. Mashallah, he literally demolished every bit of that food, and I didn't even think he would go through half. But they're just playing, and I think we parked over there. I think I'm just gonna quickly go and get my water from the car because I'm so thirsty, and then I'm gonna join in with the play. But I'm so happy that he's eaten something, so that's really good actually. I just came to the car to get some water, and I'm actually just gonna cool off. It's really warm in there, but yeah, we literally, I'll close this one. So we went to Tesco first and the bloody cafe was shut. So I went all the way to Asda and they said that cafe is shut, and it doesn't make sense because literally online it says open. So, and obviously kids eat free during the holidays. It doesn't make sense why they shut. They should be open. Otherwise they shouldn't be doing like a promotion like that. But anyways, it doesn't matter. Also, we came here like 2 weeks ago and it was, I think it was £4 entry, and today it was £7. So I don't know why it's almost double in price. I have no idea. I think because it's school holidays, but really they should keep the same price so that parents can afford to take the kids. Okay, I'm gonna go back in now and decide whether I want to eat cake or not. Should I get a slice of cake or should I not? I don't know. It's kind of dark in here, but this is the wheel I was on about. His favourite thing. Just spins. And then these. Can't record more because there's lots of kids here. But it's a really big play place. There's so many different sections. Oh, sorry. Go on then. Whoa. We just came back and I'm just giving him a yogurt because I just bought them from Asda. And he loves yogurts. Ibrahim, come here. Ibrahim. It's like he's never seen his toys before when he comes home. Come here. We came back now and I'm in the same place as I was earlier, but honestly I feel so tired. Sorry about all the music, but he is just playing, destroying my room. Actually, it's not that bad. But I just came back and the first thing I did was give him a yogurt because he ate, but that was like 2 hours ago, and then he played for 2 hours, so he actually downed that yogurt so fast. So I think he was kind of like peckish. But yeah, it's 4:30 and I need to give him a bath because he's actually really sweaty, and I also need to make some dinner for me and my husband, so I've got that to do. But I came back so tired, like I literally feel like just taking a nap. I think it's been a while since I vlogged, because it's like 6 o'clock now. But I actually went upstairs to ask my husband what he wanted to eat, and he wasn't in his office where I thought he was. So I went upstairs to the bedroom, and he was actually in bed with such a high fever, literally shivering with a fever. And I don't know why he didn't even tell me. Like, I don't even know how long he's been up there, probably like an hour, bless him, by himself. Didn't even ask for medicine and hasn't even bothered me. But I gave him some medicine and he's actually fallen asleep, bless him. So I think he's just been overworking lately and he's not really been feeling that good. Like, he's had a few muscle aches and things. So I put him to bed. Sorry, I'm having like these mini chocolate donuts. I put him to bed and I've just bathed the baby. So Ibrahim is in here. He's actually had a bath, mashallah. Look how sweet he looks. And anyone who's watched my night routine knows he gets about half an hour. It's actually kind of been about an hour lately as he's getting older. But I mean, he's been to soft play. He's had no TV all day. And he's tired. He's tired. He's been to soft play. So why not? I mean, it's not really going to harm him. I interact with him all day long. But yeah, I've got these donuts and I've had two. I think I need to stop, but I'm hungry. I am so hungry and I don't know what to cook. Don't think I've got any meat left. Not really. I mean, I've got like veg and things. This freezer needs sorting out. In here is like mostly drinks, to be honest. That's like, ignore this is really bad. But I've got salad. I might have a salad actually. I can do that. Actually, rather than having those donuts, I'm actually gonna sit and eat some watermelon, and I'm thinking to make like a tuna pasta with some salad mixed in. I think that would be really good. You know, the ones that like, you get from Morrison's. Well, from anywhere, any supermarket, you can get them in the meal deal. I think I might make a homemade one of them. When I rewatched that clip, I hated look at the fridge. So I just spent the past half an hour sorting it out. So I can't even show you because like the fridge is so tall. Let me go back. Okay, so basically those drinks was up there and it literally looked like I had no food in my fridge, and if I seen that I would have been like, what the heck. So they're all down there. So in this drawer obviously I've got some veg. I haven't even been grocery shopping, so this is literally without being grocery shopping. So this is Ibrahim's box. I've got his Dunkers and his cheese, and he loves these, and so do I. So my mum stocks me up on them. He loves these little cheese packs, and then his yogurts, leftovers, and then I've got my salad, which I love. I've always got one of these in the fridge. It looks like this. And then Ibrahim's baby cucumbers, he absolutely loves them. And then I've also got fruit. Like I said, we haven't been shopping, so this is literally all that's left. And I'm gonna go grocery shopping either tomorrow or the day after. So in here are the leftover raspberries, blueberries and grapes. And then over here is like sandwich parts, so like cheese. I've got this for a recipe, tuna filling and the chicken, and then that. And then up here is like yogurts and creams and all of that kind of thing for us adults. And then in the door I have milk. Ibrahim obviously needs a lot of milk, so I always have that stocked up. And then I've got juice and cold water and orange juice, a little bit of cookie dough here that needs making. Again, I haven't been grocery shopping, so there's hardly any eggs, and then just sauces and like Zamzam water and all of that. So yeah, I mean, it looks very empty, but this is a fridge for literally 2 adults. And also I don't make a lot of things like processed. I make it all fresh with fresh ingredients, and so the fridge is always kind of a bit lacking. But I will do another fridge tour maybe when I've been shopping. So right now my pasta has just boiled. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to add some cheese. I'm going to layer that up with some potato chat things that I'm making. I'll show you. And then some salad. And that's going to be tea for today. And I think for now that's it. Once I made it, I'll show you. Mind if you can hear Mickey in the background. But I've just finished my tea. So I am going to sit here and have some watermelon. Because apparently you're supposed to eat the watermelon before you eat food, so that it doesn't hurt your stomach. And then my dinner looks so good. So basically it's pasta, and then I've layered some like potato chats underneath, and then it's laid on top of a load of salad. This dinner looks so good to me. This is like everything I want in a dinner. Literally carbs, 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 and very unhealthy carbs. So I'm gonna sit here and eat this, and then I'm gonna go and check on my husband really fast. It is so much later now. I think it's like 9 o'clock. I've got my night clothes on, and I'm just sitting here drinking my tea. But I thought I'd tell you why I haven't vlogged. Okay, so I got Ibrahim's milk out, and I told him to come to the stairs like he normally does, and we're gonna go upstairs for bed. It was 7:30. But as he started running towards me, he literally tripped over his own feet and fell on his face, and yeah, he bust all of his mouth. I didn't see the blood at first. I just thought he fell, and he was like crying because he was tired. So I put his milk down and I went to pick him up, and as soon as he lifted his head, there was literally blood everywhere, all over his face, his clothes, the floor. I tried to give him something to drink to try and clear the blood so I could see where it came from, and yeah, it was his lip. So he bust his lip, and it's quite a nasty cut as well. But he calmed down and he drunk his milk and he's gone to sleep. Now I'm left feeling so bad because I hate when he hurts himself, and he's just relaxed. So yeah, that's why I didn't vlog. It took me a couple hours to actually calm myself down. Now I've got my tea. I've only just started to feel like the nerves and things go down. So yeah, whenever he hurts himself, it's really, really bad and traumatic for me. But inshallah, he will be fine. So anyways, I thought I would end this vlog here. I want to thank you guys for watching, and everyone who's been watching my videos the past like week. I've been trying to be more regular. Yeah, today I didn't get to vlog a lot outside because obviously there was a lot of other kids there at the play place, and I didn't want to get them in, and also it wasn't allowed either. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.